and learn with Jolene. Hello guys, welcome back to Play and Learn with Jolene. Look what we have here. We have got some clouds here. Ooh. So today we are going to count from 1 to 10 by drawing some raindrops under these clouds over here. So let's get started! Now we have written all the numbers here on the clouds. So this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these numbers over here will tell us how many raindrops that each cloud will make. So how many raindrops? 1. So over here we're going to draw 1 raindrop. 1. How many raindrops? 2. So we're gonna draw 2 raindrops. 1 raindrop. 2 raindrops. How many raindrops? 3 raindrops. 1 raindrop, 2 raindrop, and 3 raindrop. How many raindrops? 4. 1 raindrop, 2 raindrop, 3 raindrop, and 4 raindrop. How many raindrops? 5. 1 raindrop, 2 raindrop, 3 raindrop, 4 raindrop, and 5 raindrop. How many raindrops? 6. 1 raindrop, 2 raindrop, 3 raindrop, 4 raindrop, 5 raindrops, and 6 raindrops. How many raindrops? 7. 1 raindrop, 2 raindrop, 3 raindrop, 4 raindrop, 5 raindrop, 6 raindrop, 7 raindrops. How many raindrops? 8. 1 raindrop. 2 raindrop. 3 raindrop. 4 raindrop. 5 raindrop. 6 raindrop. 7 raindrop. 8 raindrops. How many raindrops? 9. 1 raindrop. 2 raindrop. 3 raindrop. 4 raindrop. 5 raindrop. 6 raindrop. 7 raindrop. 8 raindrop. 9 raindrop. How many raindrops? 10. 1 raindrop. 2 raindrop. 3 raindrop. 4 raindrop. 5 raindrop. 6 raindrop. 7 raindrop. 8 raindrops. 9 raindrops. 10 raindrops. Bye-bye, guys! Thank you for playing and learning with me for counting 1 to 10 by drawing raindrops. Bye-bye, guys! Don't forget to subscribe down below and like down below. And also don't forget to press the notification button, which is a tiny bell. Bye! Thank you for watching.